Today I am talking about something special about these stocks. These stocks trade at this moment for $100, and these stocks give today return, which means 0% return. In the last 5 days, these stocks lose 1% market valuation. Last 1 year, these stocks lose approximately 5% market valuation. In the last 6 months, these stocks gain approximately 46% market valuation. That is very good. Short-term performance is very poor, but over the long period of time, these stocks make good perform. So here you can see last 1 year's return, these stocks gain approximately 61% market valuation. I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. Here you can see how much return these stocks make in the last 5 years, 0% return. And here you can see how much return these stocks make in whole journey. Here you can see. So 1,00,000% return these stocks make for investor. So if you invest in these stocks only $1,000, so your money will become at this moment $10 lakh. So very good. And what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below, and always do your own research before investing. Follow for more stocks breakdown.